Academy, a place for mathematics and science. Dear students, before going to today's class, just let me give you some bit information regarding yesterday's test. I'm very happy about the result of yesterday's test. Many students have sent their marks after evaluating their papers, and some students, more number of students have secured even more than 20 marks also. I'm really very happy for that, and still I'm awaiting for some students to send their marks. So afterwards I'll go for making the list, and the same list will be sent to you in the evening in group only. You can just go through that and you will come to know the toppers as well. And toppers list, first 5 toppers list will be given separately. And hope that you might have cross-checked with your answer sheet also. Wherever you lost the marks, please work out those problems once again. Okay, now let's focus on today's class. You all know that in the last class, we were focusing on rationalizing the denominator. More number of problems are over. It may be just rationalizing the denominator. Second one, rationalizing the denominator and simplifying. Third one, rationalizing the denominator and simplifying to get the values of a and b or x and y. And we are moving to another one, that is, we will go for using the rationalizing the denominator concept to find out the value for the given statement. Like if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, we learned how to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. So let me go for taking few problems regarding that. Right. I think this is third one. Third one, is it not? Right. If x equal to is 4. If x equal to 3 plus root 7, 3 plus root 7, then find first one in that x plus 1 by x. Second one, x square plus 1 by x square. Third one, x cube plus 1 by x cube. I've taken this problem from your previous year question paper. In that, the same statement has been given. If x equal to 3 plus root 7, then find the value of these two. X square plus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now let me go for teaching you how to find out this. Please don't go for writing, just observe the board. We all know the value of x, it is 3 plus root 7. To find out the value of first one, you must know 1 by x as well. Is it not? 1 by x is needed. Hence, let us go for finding 1 by x. Now, you may start writing with me. Write down. X is equal to 3 plus 1 by root 7. 3 plus root 7, just root 7. Next one, 1 by x is equal to, it is 1 by 3 plus root 7. You know that how to simplify. Take the conjugate of the denominator. 3 plus root 7. Its conjugate is 3 minus root 7. Multiply 3 minus root 7 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. Now this is equal to, write the numerator as it is. It is 3 minus root 7. Because when 1 is multiplied to any number, you will get the same. Denominator. Observe. Look at the word. Denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So now let us write. It is 3 whole square. Go on, write it. 3 whole square minus root 7 whole square. This is equal to, right numerator as it is 3 minus root 7. 3 whole square is 9 minus root 7 whole square is 7. This is equal to 3 minus root 7 by 9 minus 7 is 2. Now, let's go for finding the values one by one. First one, you have to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. I write.
Raju sir, unmute your audio. Raju sir, unmute your audio.
Here I'll find it out. Good space we have. X plus 1 by x, this is equal to, substitute. X is 3 plus root 7. And 1 by x is 3 minus root 7 by 2. 3 minus root 7 by 2. Take the LCM of the denominator. It is 2. Multiply LCM with first term. 2 3s are 6. Multiply LCM with second term. 2 into root 7. Multiply LCM with this term. Third term. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. You will get 3 over. Minus root 7. Hope that you all have understood. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now this is equal to, add the integers. 6 and 3 is there. 6 plus 3, it is 9. Plus 2 times root 7 minus 1 time root 7. It will be 1 time root 7 divided by 2. This is the value. 9 plus root 7 by 2.
Sir, explain again, sir. Last 2 steps.
I'll explain it. Observe it. Look at here 6 is there. Here is 3. 6 plus 3. This is 9. Plus 2 times root 7. Here minus 1 time. Here these two are like terms. 2 minus 1 is 1. So root 7 as it is. Divided by 2. Hope that you all have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we are moving to second one. Second one. Observe. Look here. Here we have x square plus 1 by x square. Dear students, you are very familiar with the identity a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Look here. Here, in place of a, x is there. In place of b, 1 by x is there. Now, can we write this as x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus b square 1 by x whole square, nothing but 1 by x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. X and x get cancelled. Now, x plus 1 by x whole square, this is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. We want the value of this. Can we write x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square transfer 2 to the left hand side, minus 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
I want response from everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, just observe it. We want the value of x square plus 1 by x square. We know the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to a plus b whole square. I want only a square plus b square. Now I can write a square plus b square. This is equal to a plus b whole square. Transfer 2ab to the right hand side. It becomes minus 2ab. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look here. Here x square plus 1 by x square is. It is x square plus 1 by x square. This is equal to. In place of a, x is there. X plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into. In place of a, x. In place of b, 1 by x. X and x get cancelled. So I write x square plus 1 by x square directly as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Afrin Sheikh, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Yagna, have you understood? Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Good. Shamita? Yes or no, Shamita? Ah, good. Shifa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay. I have written x square plus 1 by x square as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Because a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2a. Now, let us learn. What is x plus 1 by x? Just we have found out. It is 9 plus root 7 by 2 whole square minus here x and x get cancelled. It is 2. This is equal to apply square to both. It is 9 plus root 7 whole square by 2 square is 4 minus 2. Now this is equal to apply a plus b whole square. A square 9 square is 81 plus b square root 7 whole square is 7 plus 2AB. 2 into 9 into root 7. 2 9s are 18. Then root 7 by 4 minus 2. Ketan, are you following?
Yes, sir.
This is equal. Take LCM. LCM is 4. Multiply LCM with the first term. 4, 4 get cancelled. Now directly I write 81 plus 7. It is 88 plus 18 root 7. Multiply LCM with second term. It is minus 4. Sorry. It is 8. Multiply LCM 4 with the second term. 2 4s are 8. This is equal to 88 minus 8 is 80 plus 18 into root 7 by 4. Kulambi, did you understand?
Sir, how we get my 18 times root 7 in the fourth step?
Okay. Look here. Here, numerator term 9 plus root 7 whole square is of the form a plus b whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
It is a square 9 square, b square root 7 whole square, 2ab 2 into 9 into root 7. What is 9 square? 81. Root 7 square? 7. 2 9s are 18. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay.
Sir.
Next. Now, in the last step, you may go for taking the common factor. Here 80 is there, here 18 is there. When you take out 2 as common factor, it is 240. Then 2 9s are 80 into root 7 by denominator 4 is there. Write this as. Now cancel it. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Here I'll write it is 40 plus 9 root 7 by 2. This is the value of x square plus 1 by x. Got it?
Sir, we can cancel.
Plus 9 root 7 by 2. This is the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Do you have any doubt?
Sir, how we get minus 8, sir?
Yes, sir. How did that come, sir? Minus 8.
Minus. Yeah. Okay. This is one term. This is second term. I have taken the LCM of the denominator. Here denominator 4, denominator 1. 4 is the LCM. Multiply 4 with the first term. 4 get cancelled. This one will remain. 81 plus 7 is 88 plus 18 into root 7. Next, multiply this LCM. 4 with the second term. 2 4s are 8. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can cancel 2 by 40.
Ora, shall I rub it?
Sir.
Manya, shall I rub it? Okay, good response.
No, sir.
Now we are moving to third one. Right. Third one. X cube plus 1 by x. Sarthak, shall I explain third one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then everybody should stop writing. Alpage, have you finished? Okay, I'll rub it. Observe. By observing x cube plus 1 by x cube, you can recall the identity a cube plus b cube. Is it not? You are very familiar with the identity a plus b whole cube. This is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You all remember last year only you learned a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, then a plus b into a minus b, x plus a into x plus b, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. All these. It is a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now, we want a cube plus b cube. Observe, I am solving this. Subject, look at the board. A cube plus b cube, it is a plus b whole cube, and take this term to the left hand side. Minus 3ab into a plus b. That is equal to a cube plus b cube. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, look at a cube plus b cube. In place of that, x cube plus y cube is there. Now I can write, see, a is nothing but x. B is nothing but 1 by x. I'll substitute. A cube plus b cube is, this is, all right, a plus b whole cube. That is x plus 1 by x whole cube. Minus 3ab, 3 into x into 1 by x into a plus b, x plus 1 by x. Got it? Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, here, this is equal to x plus 1 by x. We have already found out that it is 9. Don't copy, just observe here. Afterwards, I'll explain it. X plus 1 by x, it is 9 plus root 7 by 2. Whole cube minus here x and x get cancelled. 3 into x plus 1 by x. Again 9 plus root 7 by 2. Followed? Did you understand?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
It is 9 plus root 7 whole cube by 2 cube is 8 minus here this is 3 by 2 into 9 plus root 7. Still it can be simplified. Let us write up to here only. Got it? The reason is here cube is there, here power is 1. So let us stop up to here. And one more thing, dear student, just observe. Renuka MY, you are not at all concentrating. Simply you are doing yourself.
Sir,
Yes.
why should we take 3 by 2, sir?
Denominator 2 is there, so that I have taken 2.
Sir, we take 9 plus root 7 divided by 2, sir.
Here in the outside the bracket we have 3.
Yes, sir.
In the denominator 2 is there, so that I have taken 2 here.
Yes, sir.
I know that. Yes, yes.
Sir, we should take 9 plus root 7 divided by 2 also, sir.
Yes, yes. You can take that also. Gaurav. Okay. Observe it. Don't try.
Sir.
This can also be written in another way. Here, a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. This can be written as a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. This is another identity. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. I'll write according to this. Just look at it. Don't copy. Here, x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is equal to a plus b. That is x plus 1 by x into a square plus b square minus ab. A square, it is x square. Plus b square, it is 1 by x square. Minus ab. A is x, b is 1 by x. Understood? Any doubts?
No doubt.
No.
Cancel. This is equal. We know the value for x plus 1 by x. It is 9 plus root 7 by 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. We have that value. It is 40 plus 9 into root 7 by 2 minus. On cancelling, you will get 1. Now, this is equal to 9 plus root 7 by 2 into, I'll take the LCM. LCM is 2. Next, multiply LCM with the first term. 2 get cancelled. Remaining 40 plus 9 into root 7. Minus, multiply LCM with the second term. 2 ones are 2. This is equal to 9 plus root 7 by, here denominator option 2 is there. Here also 2. 2 2s are 4 into, here 40 minus 2. It is 38 plus 9 into root 7. Then this can be simplified as 4 is as it is. Now multiply 9 with both the terms. 38 nines are. 38 nines are.
Sir, you have to write in the denominator too, sir.
Huh?
In the denominator, you not written denominator too.
Denominator here 2.
No, sir, in the next step, sir. 38 plus 9 times root 7 by 2, sir.
I have been telling 2 is there. 2 is there. 2 2s are 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll write like this.
342, sir.
They are multiplied. Denominator, they are multiplied. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, denominator 4 as this. Now let us multiply 9 with 38. Here, 9 7s are, sorry, 9 8s are 72. 2, 7, 342. 7, 34. 342. 342 plus multiply 9 with these two. Sorry, this term. 9 9s are 81 into root 7. Plus multiply root 7 with both the terms. Root 7 into 38. 38 root 7. Multiply root 7 with 9 into root 7. 9 into root 7 into root 7. Root 7, root 7, root 7 whole square, square get, root get cancelled. 9 into 7. 9 7s are. 9 7s are.
63.
Now this is equal. Now let us go for adding 342 plus 63.
405.
5, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 4, 405. Plus 81 root 7 plus 38 root 7. It is 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 8, divided by 4. Have you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you may copy.
Yes, sir.
Copy
Sir,
this.
explain last but one steps.
I'll explain that. Copy this. When the teacher is giving the explanation, your attention should be there. I was explaining, you are writing. Now you are sitting quiet. It should not happen. Follow my instruction. Ora, shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Sanjita HS, finished? Okay, good, good. Rakshita B, did you finish? Okay. Giridhar? Okay. Kaula Singh? Kaula Sheikh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Manasa, have you copied this?
Yes,
Manasa
sir.
L. I expect your response from this symbol. Prithviraj? Okay, good one. Listen, one student asked me to explain the last step. I'm going to tell you the same now. Here, 4 as it is, you should multiply 9 with 38, 9 with 9 into root 7. You will get these two terms. Multiply root 7 with 38, root 7 with 9 into root 7. You will get these two terms. Simplify them by taking the like terms. 342 plus 63, 405. 81 root 7 plus 38 root 7 is 190 root 7 by 4. Now, let me give you another one which was given in the examination. Right? It is this one. If x equal to 5 minus 2 into root 6 is there in the Eschol as well. Then find x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square. Dear students, please observe the one. This type we have already come across. Finding the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Prithvi, stop writing. Lekha, stop writing. Observe. Okay. You are going to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. You know that how to rewrite this. It is of the form a square plus b square. It can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Irreducible. In the same way, here x square plus 1 by x square can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Here x and x get cancelled. Now, by observing this, you can come to know they have given x. But do you know 1 by x? Do you know 1 by x?
No, sir.
So first we have to find out 1 by x. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're right. Right with me. X is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Go on writing with me. Prithvi. X equal to 5 minus 2 into root 6. Now let us find out 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 into root 6. Take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply to the numerator and denominator.
5 plus
5 plus 2 into root 6. Multiply to the numerator as well as denominator. 5 plus 2 into root 6. This is equal. Write numerator as it is 1 into 5 plus 2 into root 6 as it is. Denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b. It is a square minus b square. Rutushri, what is a square?
Sir, say once again, sir.
What is a square here?
5.
5 square minus b square. It is 2 into root 6 whole square, right? 2 into root 6 whole square. Even you may write the value directly. Prithvi, where are you looking? This is equal to 5 plus 2 into root 6 by Ranjan or Pisale, what is the value of 5 square?
So 25.
25. Minus?
Minus
Could you tell the value of this?
2
2
2s
into
are
root
4.
6 whole square. 2 into root 6 whole square. This square na ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 square is 4. Root 6 whole square 6. 6 4s are 24. That is equal to 5 plus 2 into root 6. Denominator is 1 is 25 minus 24 is 1. So no need to write. Just 1 by x value we got. It is 5 plus 2 root 6. Over.
Sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Answer. ನಮಗೆ x plus 1 by x value ಬೇಕು. Right? So ಅದನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡೋಣ. Right. X plus 1 by x, where x is 5 minus 2 into root 6 plus 1 by x is 5 plus 2 into root 6. Now, plus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 get cancelled. This is equal to 5 plus 5. It is 10. Now, let us go for finding the value of x square plus 1 by x. X square plus 1 by x square can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. X and x get cancelled. This is equal. X plus 1 by x, it is 10. 10 whole square minus 2. 10 square is 100 minus 2. This is 98. Therefore, the value of x square plus 1 by x square is 90. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any
Sir,
doubts?
not sir. No, sir.
Last step once again. This is x square plus 1 by x square. It can be written like this. And x plus 1 by x, we have found out that is 10 whole square. Minus here, as x and x get cancelled, 2 will remain. Then 10 square is 100. Minus 2. 100 minus 2 is 98. So for this, you can put double star. Next. Shreya,
Yes,
have you
sir.
put question mark?
Sir?
Your concentration was somewhere else.
Sir, sorry, sir.
Okay. Put double star for this. Now we are moving to the next one. 6. Sixth one is also, it is also been taken from previous year question paper. Put double star and write. Right. If x equal to 7 minus 4 into root 3, then find the value of first root x plus 1 by root x. Second one, root x minus 1 by root x. I've been telling you repeatedly, it was given in the examination, and the same problem is there in Eschand book as well. Shall I go for explaining?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ranjan or Pisale, still you are writing?
No, sir, over.
Oh, okay. Amrita, finished up? Okay. Now answer. Anybody want to tell how can we go for finding this? Just I'll give you 10 seconds for thinking.
Sir, root 7 minus 4 times root 3. I mean,
Given 7
root
minus
whole square.
4 times root 3.
Whole root, sir. Whole root.
I have given you 10 seconds time for thinking about it to solve. Can I expect Lakshmi Shri from Lakshmi Shri?
Sir, as we done in before questions, we have to do like this, but the difference is root. We have root for x.
If you go for applying root, is it possible to simplify?
Sir, we should find the answer of root, value of root.
Going to find out answer only. Abhinandan, sit quiet. When your turn comes, you can tell. Arushi?
So we can do this like how we did the previous one, sir. X.
Of course, how we had done in the previous problem.
No, sir. Here, roots they have asked. So we can use.
Okay. You are trying. Both of you are trying. It's okay. Just observe. We want the value of root x plus 1 by root x. I go for taking this as whole square. You can ask me a question that, sir, why do you go for taking whole square? They are not given. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
tell you that. Now we have been taking the square. At last, we will go for removing. At last, when you remove square, what will remain? Root x plus 1 by root x only. Arushi, don't write. Just observe. Now, this is of the form a plus b whole square. Right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I'm going to write it as a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is root x, b is 1 by root x, then root x, here 1 by root x. The purpose of taking square. Lakshmi Shri, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
The purpose of taking square is when you apply square to these numbers, square root get cancelled. After cancelling the root, we can go for using the value of x. 7 minus 4 into root 3. Here again, square root get cancelled. We got x. There is x value. Next, 1 by root x whole square is x. Square root get cancelled. 1 by x plus 2 into root x get cancelled. 2 into 1 is just 2 only. Now, this is equal. Dear students, if you want to find out the value of this, you must know x and 1 by x. X is already given. Which is unknown?
1 by X.
1 by X.
1 by x. So first we shall find out 1 by x.
By
Did you
X.
understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chandana, you. Did you understand? Okay. Right. Now please go on writing with me. X is
Sir, why we take
7
root
minus
x
4
plus
into
1 by
root
x root x whole square?
Go on writing with me. Next. 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 7 minus 4 into root 3. Take the conjugate of the denominator. It is 7 plus 4 into root 3. Multiply that to the numerator and denominator. 7 plus 4 into root 3. This is equal. Multiply numerator. You get 7 plus 4 into root 3. Lakshmi Shri, I expect direct answer from denominator.
7
value of
square
denominator?
minus. Sir?
I want direct value.
7 square, which is 63
Correct.
minus 4 into 3.
Can I?
12.
You just go for mind calculation, but tell final answer.
Can I?
49 minus 48, sir. 49 minus 48.
Very good. Very good.
51.
See, it is of the form a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Now direct over. A square, 7 square is 49.
49.
B square, 4 into root 3 whole square.
48.
root 3 whole square is 3. 4 3 is 48. Will it not be simple?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now this is equal. 7 plus 4 into root 3. That's all. The reason is 49 minus 48 is 1. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Trupti, have you written up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now copy from here. Lavanya, copy from here. First one. Root x plus 1 by root x whole square is equal to root x whole square plus 1 by root x whole square plus 2 into root x into 1 by root x.
Sir, first you should copy this side or left side or right side, sir?
Still you have not yet copied.
Copied, sir. First I copied right side. And next.
Who told you to copy that? I used that right side for explanation. Then afterwards I told you to write from here. I told you to write with me. First it should be written. Then I have taught this to know we have to find out 1 by x. Have you copied up to here?
Sir, why we have taken root x plus 1 by root x whole square? Because they are given root x by 1.
X value matra. We do not know root x value, then 1 by root x value. So to cancel the root, we have taken whole square.
Okay, sir.
I will be Dodgauda.
Sir.
Root x plus 1 by root x whole square. Then it is of the form a plus b whole square. We have applied that. We got this. This substitute. X is 7 minus 4 into root 3 plus 1 by x is
7 plus 4 whole root 3.
4 into root 3 plus 2. Now cancel. 4 root 3 minus 4 root
16 answer.
This is equal to add remaining 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 2 16.
16.
Now root x plus 1 by root x whole square is 16. But we want the value of root x plus 1 by root x only. As square is there, I'll apply. I convert this as root on the right hand side. It will be a square root of 16. Whereas square root of 16 is 4. Root x plus 1 by root x is 4. Now please ask me if any doubt. Any doubts?
No, sir, if the symbols are same, we can't cancel, no, sir. So see, there you have cancelled root x is because the symbols are different. If they were same, we can't cancel, sir. No, sir, not there here. X. Yes, sir.
See, both the terms are same. Both are like only, but opposite in sign. Assume that this is minus a, this is plus a. Minus a plus a get cancelled. Arushi, understood?
Yes, sir.
Here, after simplifying, you'll get 16. Here, square is there. Apply root to 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Now we should move to root x minus 1 by root x. Now you may start writing with me. Prithvi, start writing with me. Prithviraj.
Writing, sir.
Now you have to start writing with me. Second one is root x minus 1 by root x whole square. As we want this value, so that we have taken whole square. It is of the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square
minus 2.
minus 2ab, where a is root x, b is 1 by root x. Here also a is root x, b is 1 by root x. This is equal to, now square and root get cancelled. This is x plus 1 by root x whole square. Here also square and root get cancelled. You will get 1 by x minus root x get cancelled. Now 2 ones are 2. This is equal. Now take x value. They only have given it is 7 minus 4 into root 3. 1 by x, we have found out it is 7 plus 4 into root 3. Then minus 2 is there, right? Minus 2. Here also minus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 get cancelled.
12.
Equal. Now, observe 7 plus 7, 40. 40 minus 2.
12.
12.
12. This is root x plus 1 by root x whole square. But we want root x plus, sorry, minus.
Sir, minus.
Minus 1 by root x is equal to, your square is there, apply root. It will be root 1. Return.
6. Sir.
Just look at it. Look at it. ಈಗ root 12 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let me tell you how is that.
2 into
root 12 it is equal to root 12 ನ ನಾವು square root of 4 into 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. 4 3s are 12. Now it is to be written as square root of 4 into square root of 3. What is square root of 4?
2.
2 into root. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, in place of root 12, you may write 2 into root. This is the value of root x minus 1 by root. Next.
Yes, sir. Over.
Now I'll go for taking next. So these are the different types of problems. You must practice them without fail. Samarth, MV. You must repeatedly, I've been telling, you must practice all these problems without fail at least 3 times. Each problem should be practiced 3 times. Now, dear students, so far we have learned how to rationalize the denominator when single term is given, when 2 terms are given. Is it not? Have you seen today's image before the link?
Yes, sir.
Here we have given 3 terms. Now let us come to know how to rationalize the denominator containing 3 terms. Right. It is 7. Right. Rationalize the denominator of 1 by, I take simple one, 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. It is thought. Okay, look at them. Dear students, you know that when two terms are there in the denominator, you'll take their conjugate.
Conjugate.
But in three terms, how do you go for taking the conjugate?
2 minus root 3 plus root 5. 2
Yes.
minus
You group conjugate
plus root 3 minus.
You may say 2 minus of root 3 plus root 5. This is one time. Here I have grouped by taking last two. Look at it. I have grouped by taking last two. You may group by taking first two also. 2 plus root 3, then minus root 5. Anyone can be followed?
You should change the symbol, sir.
You may group by taking first two terms or last two terms. Here, your last two terms are there. Here plus sign is there. It becomes 5. Next, if minus is there, it should be made as plus. If you take the first two terms, 2 plus root 3, it is not right. Then remaining plus root 5, you have to write it as minus root 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, go on writing. Whether you go for grouping by taking first two or last two.
Last two.
Last two, sir.
Last two, sir.
Last two, sir.
Last two, sir.
Last two.
Last two, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
about
Root 3 minus root 5, sir.
let us go for trying both. I'll take first two. Right. Write down. It is 1 by 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. Let me go for grouping first two. 2 plus root 3, then plus root 5. Into direct right. 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 by. Please go and write it with me. Prithvi, are you writing? Prithviraj. Maybe I absconded. Okay. It is 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Here also 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. This is equal to. In the numerator, we have 1 and this number. 1 into any number is the number itself. Write it as it is. 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Then denominator. Daksh, could you tell me which form it is?
Sir, can I? A plus B into A minus B.
Very good. This is one term. That's group module. This is A. This is B and this will be A. This will be B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು group ಮಾಡಿ easy ಆಗಿ A plus B, A minus B. ನೀವು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now it is of the form A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B?
A square
A square plus A square minus B square. A square minus
B square.
A square minus B square. A square, it is 2 plus root 3 whole square minus B square root 5 whole square. This is equal to numerator. Let me write this as it is. It is 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Now, denominator, observe this. Observe this. In which form it is?
A plus B.
A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole square.
Yes. A plus B whole square. Now, I'll go for applying that identity to this. Yes. A plus B whole square. A square, that is 2 square. 2 square is 4.
4.
Plus B square root 3 whole square.
Whole square.
That is
4 plus 3.
3.
3.
plus 2AB. 2 into root 3. 4 root 3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Please explain.
Minus root 5 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. This is 5. Next. This is equal. Write numerator as it is. It is 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Next, denominator. You may simplify this. What is 4 plus 3?
7.
7, sir.
2.
2.
2. So 2 plus 4 into root 3. Got it?
Sir, how
Yes,
we
sir.
get 4 times root 3, sir?
A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2AB, 2 into AB. A is 2. B is root 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 into root 3.
Okay, sir.
On Saturday only I told you, you must practice. These problems are a bit different. You practice madde idre, you find it difficult to understand this. Okay. Wait. Lekha. Lekha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Can it be simplified, this step? Can it be simplified?
Yes, sir.
If yes, how?
Sir, 4 plus 2.
No. Are they like that?
No,
4
sir,
plus
it
2
can't simplify.
cannot be. Then further, anybody want to tell?
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Wait. Shamita?
Sir, I will say.
2 gets cancelled.
Many times it is happening, Shamita.
Sir, can I say the answers?
Sir,
Okay.
can I say, sir?
Who is? Sir, 2 will get cancelled. No. Somebody is telling that, sir, cancel 2 and 2. That will not happen.
Sir, we have to write 2
Again, we have to
into root
rationalize
3
the
minus root
denominator
5.
by
Yes,
multiplying.
somebody is telling. Wait. In the denominator, we have binomial irrational number. Wait, VG, you are not concentrating. You are not concentrating. Yeah. In the denominator, we have binomial irrational number. So we can go for taking its conjugate. Alva. We have solved so many problems. Rationalizing the denominator. Yeah. Into 2 plus 4 into root 3 is there. multiply 2 minus 4 into root 3 by 2 minus 4 into root 3. Write with me. Next, this is equal to, observe the numerator. Here we have 3 terms, here we have 2 terms. Multiply 2 with these. Multiply root 3 with these 2 terms. Multiply minus root 5 with these 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tolo Sheikh, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, right. 2 times 2 minus root 3. Sorry, 4 root 3. 2 minus 4 into root 3. Plus root 3 times 2 minus 4 into root 3. Minus root 5 into 2 minus 4 into root 3. Divided by, now this is of the form a plus b into a minus a square 2 whole square minus b square 4 into root 3 whole square. This is equal to. Shruti, are you understanding?
Don't come with
Now, multiply this 2 with 4. 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 4s are 8 into root 3. Plus root 3 into 2 is 2 into root 3. Plus
4 into
minus root 3 into 4 root 3. Root 3 into 4 root 3. Root 3, 3. 4 as it is. 4 3 is 12. Next, multiply minus root 5 with 2. Minus 2 into root 5. Next, minus into minus. This is plus. Root 5 into 4 root 3. Root 5 into 4 root 3. Observe the board. Root 5 into 4 root 3. 4 hange bariತೀನಿ coefficient. Multiply these two. Root 5 into root 3. 5 3s are 50.
50.
4 into root 50. 4 into root 50. Next. Denominator. 2 square is 4 minus
48.
4 into root 3 whole square. Very good. Somebody already told. 4 square root 3 whole square. 4 square under 16. Root 3 whole square under 3. 48. Next. This is equal to. Now take the right top and simplify. 4 is 4 minus 12. 4 minus 12 minus 8 and y minus 8. Alone. Amulya, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 8 into root 3,
Now,
2 into root 3.
minus 8 times root 3 plus 2 times root 3 minus 6 times. Next. This is minus 2 times root 5 plus 4 times root 5. Minus 2 plus 4, it is plus 2. Now 4 minus 48
Sir,
is.
how it will become plus 2?
15. Sir, it is root 15 now, sir.
Sir, it is root
4 root 15, sir. How
4 root.
cancel?
15, sir.
Wait. Anyone has to do. Anyone? Yes, sir.
The 2 root 15 and plus 4 root 15, how will it will get added, sir? Because the radicand are different.
Yeah, like sorry. 6 root 3. Write them as it is. Minus 2 into root 5 plus 4 into root 15. Write them as it is. Divided by 4 minus 48 is minus 44. Can it be simplified further?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
Minus 8, minus 44.
It is enough, sir. Minus 44 is cube.
The reason is you can take out minus a common factor. You know, 8, 6, 2, 4. They are all the multiples of 2. Can we take 2 as common factor?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Minus 2 as common factor. Minus 2 into 4, minus. Then plus minus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Then root 3. Minus 2 is taken as common factor. Plus root 5. Minus 2 is taken as common factor. 2 into root 15. By minus 44. Now minus minus get cancelled and 2 and 44 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 22s are. This is equal to, right, numerator. It is 4 plus 3 into root 3 plus root 5 minus 2 into root 15 divided by 22. Followed. Now observe the denominator. Denominator is 22, where 22 is a rational number. Okay.
Sir, 22 how came, sir?
2 1s are 2 22s are 44. Written up?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Sir.
This is the method of rationalizing the denominator when it consists of 3 terms. It should be practiced. Dear students, once I reminding you, except the first problem what we solved today, whatever remaining problems are there, please do practice them at least 3 times. At least 3 times. Then after that, anyhow, evening I'll give you the worksheet questions. Some important questions you can go for working out them. Followed? I think still we need of 2 to 3 periods to finish off this chapter. I've been taking more additional problems from your reference books as well as previous year question papers. Still we have not touched the exercise number, I think 1.4. 1.4 anta ansutta. Alla 1.
Yes, sir.
1.5, sir.
1.5. 1.5. Related to 1.5 only, we have been solving the problems. Exercise 1.5 is very simple. Only beginning al naven solve madidve aa reeti ashte ide, but these are the problems which have been asked in the examination, the board examination. So that's why I have taught them. Please do practice them minimum 3 times. Each problem should be solved, practiced minimum 3 times, except the first problem what we solved today. First problem bit in all problems 3 times work. Okay. And another information is the students who have evaluated your papers, please send your marks, because I have to prepare it. I have to prepare the marks list. Without fail, you have to send your marks. Okay. Tomorrow we shall focus on more number of different types of problems on this concept. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, mine
Nala.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Good, good. Prashant, sir?
Sir, I have a doubt.